Hi everybody, Mumsy here. Hey, I wanted to talk to you about insults. Do you remember when you were a kid and you would just have fun with your friends and do insults at each other? Like, your mama is so fat, blah, 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 or blonde jokes. When I was a kid, those were very popular. And I was pretty good at giving insults for a couple turns, but then I would lose my momentum because the other person would make me laugh so hard. And then I would think of something really good to say about 15 minutes later and think, oh, I should have said this one. But I think it'd be funny if it was like on TV, when you hear a laugh track in the background, when someone's yelled an insult and you can hear applause or you can hear laughter. I think that would be funny in life. So I went ahead and got a bunch of buttons. Applause. Yes and no. That's bullshit. Kiss my ass. And of course, fudge. Then I had one of my friends go through the internet and try to find as many insults as he could. And he said there was literally thousands of them. I said, well, don't make this too hard. Just grab about 10, 15 of them. And just do random ones, like some fair ones and then some really mind-blowing ones. And I didn't look at any of them, so he wrote them down on a card and he gave them to me, and we're going to read them and we're going to throw some sound effects to them. Now, these are just basic insults. Some he said, were pretty plain and others were pretty savage. So let's just watch them. And of course, the cat is going to be right behind me, and that's okay. It's just going to look like I have a tail right here. All right, here's the first one. I'm already visualizing the duct tape across your mouth.
Yeah, baby.
No, those pants can't make you look any fatter. How could they?
No.
We don't say that. If laughter was the best medicine, your face must be curing the world.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to get savage now. We all sprung from apes, but you didn't spring far enough.
You can kiss every square inch of my ass.
I love what you've done with your hair. How do you get it to come out of your nostrils like that?
Whoa, watch your step. You just walked into some bullshit.
What language are you speaking? Because it sounds like bullshit.
Seriously? That bullshit.
Amen. You're so fake, Barbie is jealous. Roses are red, violets are blue. I have 5 fingers, the middle one is for you.
Well, yes.
80% of the brain is fluid. Sadly, in your case, it's brake fluid.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F.
You're so pathetic and sad that Bob the Builder can't even repair your life. Still going. These are good ones you got. You did good. You're so ugly. When your parents dropped you off at school, they got a fine for littering.
You can kiss my ass if you want to, but I warn you, my amigo, my ass is a fart cannon. Eats it every time.
You're all going to go out and buy these, aren't you? Oh my God. This one's savage. You are so ugly that if you laid on the beach, the tide wouldn't even take you out.
Fucking credible.
You must have been born on the highway. That's where most accidents happen.
No!
Two wrongs don't make a right. Take your parents, for example. That could be several of them.
Hey, kiss my ass!
It looks like your face caught on fire and someone tried to put it out with a hammer.
Alert, pants dropping. Alert, pants dropping. Now, kiss my ass, you kind person.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is savage. Your family tree must be a cactus because everyone on it is a prick.
Hashtag fuck you.
Oh my God. This is the last one. Remember, I didn't write these. These were just on the internet. You can find them yourself. Save your breath. You'll need it to blow up your doll later.
Fuck this.
Well, that's it. That's all I have right now. I could have got you a lot more, but I just did a couple of them. If you have a great one to share with everybody, just put it in the comments below and I'll read them. And if you're not a fan yet, just hit the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to me. My name is Mumsy, and I'll see you guys next week. And remember, you're important and you matter. And this world is incomplete without you. All right? I love you. Bye-bye.